let's do a bit of a quick breakdown of this Dungeons and Dragons one mug coffee machine. I gave this to my son last Christmas. You know those types of presents you just need one last gift? And I found this at GameStop or EB Games, like it used to be called here. Now it's GameStop. So yeah, you've got your little coffee filter, and this wedges in here, where it slides into the center, close the top. He never really used it a lot, but he loves the mug. It is nice. The rest, well, as you can see, he used it a couple of times, mostly for hot chocolates. And well, he's a huge Dungeons and Dragons fan. With use, it warped. Just the plastic, can't say it melted right, but it did warp. So this is is there a model number? Yes, model CM-DAD. ST1. CM-DAD. By Intertech. But I'm just curious to see, how is this made? What's in there? It's very simple. It's very light. So, recyclable? I want to see what can be recycled. This is recyclable. We'll tear the whole thing down. There we go. I did notice, this, of course, he's keeping the mug. It is very nice. Wizards of the Coast LLC 2022. So there is one Torx 15. Yeah, Torx 15. Again, that's supposed to keep you from hurting yourself. Even these screws, I keep these screws, and the rest are Phillips. We've got 4 Phillips here. Let's take these off too. Good. Very nice. I suspect there's not a lot in here. There we go. See? Toggle switch. Keeping that. These screws. Keeping those. Even this, not a wire harness. Okay. A small tie wrap here. Recyclable. Okay, these are a bit harder than I thought. Small pliers here. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 together. Nice colored wires though. Oh, come on, buddy. Thank you. And I think that I just need to push these little push retention pins out of the way. That's one. The other one, yeah, I'd have to pull up. Can I do that? I can probably do that. There we go. That is a nice toggle switch. Very nice. And of course it's got a light in there too, a small LED. Keeping this, the bottom cover, recycled. Now, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws at the bottom. Can I reach it with no? I will need. This was the first, missing. What screwdriver did bit? Well, the first screwdriver bit kit. I think it was to take an old computer apart or something, maybe a drive. Okay, let's try this. What else? I've got other stuff we can use. This, yeah, perfect. Not yet. So, now of course this heating element is connected to get some rubber tubes. This one here. Maybe there's one screw which is still holding on there, and it would seem to be this one here. Yes, indeed. Oh, beautiful. So this, also recyclable, minus the screws, they really come in handy. They're kind of standard when it comes to this type of appliance, right? Just want to push these out. Now it's just the plastic casing. Goodbye. This also, I slip these rubber pipes out, and then there is one screw which holds the heating element top part, and this is all plastic. I know this is kind of weird, but it's, you know, it's water in, water out, no pump, and a thermal fuse. Believe it or not, this could come in handy. Yeah. I'm keeping this, the screws, actually, this too, that's good. These screws, not much, but the parts that I keep, they do come in handy. Just like a couple of weeks ago, I had a motor for a frother. Mine was a DeLonghi, and it was the very same motor used in a Jura. Very same thing. So I got to fix that Jura without having to order any parts. That's it. That's all that's left, folks. That's the only parts that I'm keeping. The rest, all plastic, and it's recyclable, I believe. If you're curious to see what was in there, now you know. Now I know also. Thanks. Goodbye.
Hey, Dad, have you seen my D&D coffee maker?
Just give me a second. I'll be right there.